はい、皆さん、こんにちは。So today, みんなの日本語、ね、lesson 1, grammar pattern, no? So grammar pattern 1, that is noun 1 wa, noun to this, 名詞1は名詞2です。いいですか? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So kindly scan the QR code. And then look for slides of Pi Nihongo. Okay, じゃあ皆さん、before we proceed to the grammar explanation, 待ってください。So before the lesson, 皆さん, my tip is familiarize the lesson 1 vocabulary list. いいですか? So if you're not yet ready to learn this grammar pattern, then I think you can familiarize first the vocabulary na minasan. Okay, if you're done, then minasan. So let's proceed. Let's start. いいですか? では始めましょう. Okay, so we have here noun 1 wa, noun 2 des na minasan wa. So maybe most of you know confused why it is wa here, no, instead of ha. Noun 1 ha, noun 2 des. So from that, no, minasan, you will hear it very weird, no? Wa, ne, ha. So when I started learning Nihongo by myself, minasan, I'm wondering why ha here pronounced as wa, ne? Yung wa o ne? So this one, na minasan, please don't forget, ne? Wa. Okay, so since this is particle, that's why we will read this hiragana ha into wa. いいですか? Hiragana ha, written in hiragana ha, but pronounced as wa. Okay, so we have here noun 1 wa, noun 2 des. Okay, yeah. So from the word watashi, so I am, no? So watashi. So watashi I am in English is noun, no? So we have here noun 1. So meishi. So watashi. And then copy the particle wa. Hiragana ha, but pronounced as wa. No? So we will read this as wa. And then, so in reality, my name is Pai. So Pai is also a noun, no? So that is considered as noun too. So we have here two nouns, no? Watashi and then Pai des. Okay. So, ne, sensei. Wa here is known known as topic marker, no? That's why watashi wa. So this is the topic indicator, no? The particle wa, no? Watashi wa. So referring to myself as cherry, no? Cherry pie, no? So pie. So watashi wa pie desu. Okay. So for sure, no, minasan, you're familiar with this des. Okay, des. Okay. Okay, what are the functions of des here, no? Since we already know that the particle wa here is for subject or topic, no? Indicator. And then, this time, no, minasan, des, okay, I will show you the function of des here. Now, nouns used with des, no, works as predicates. No, minasang ne. So, in English, no, it works as predicate. And then we have here also minasang. Des also indicates judgment or assertion. Ne, based in this sentence, minasang, so watashi wa pai desu. So, I'm giving the factual information, no? So, topic here is watashi, and another information about watashi is the name. So, watashi wa pai desu. And then, so this also conveys that the speaker is being polite towards the listener. So, this is very common na minasang. The des here, considered as a polite way of answering the minasan. So this. Okay. Yeah, let's try another one. Minasan. So watashi, and then just drop the wa here. Watashi wa. And then minasan. This one, no? Philippine jin desu. 私はフィリピン人です。Again, the topic here is 私 and then the particle here, no? Topic marker here, the 私はフィリピン人です。Okay, so if you notice ね、皆さん、私はパイです。ね、私はフィリピン人です。So I'm giving a fact ね、皆さん truth のyung statement here. So, 私はパイです。私はフィリピン人です。So, ね、皆さん。So, stating the, ね、the sentence in a affirmative way. Okay, じゃあ、let's try ね、皆さん。So, topic here, no, topic wa. So, I wrote down this one, no, topic wa noun to this. So topic here, considered as noun, no? So we have here two nouns, no? Noun one wa, noun two this. Okay. じゃあ、皆さんね。So, 私は let's try it ね。皆さん。So, 私は information, マイク・ミラーですね。私はマイク・ミラーです。which means I am Miller, no? So, 私はミラです。So, let's say first の皆さん、私 and then we will add another information. 私は会社員です。で、私は会社員です。So, 会社員 is company employee, no? So, aside from giving the information, the topic is Mira, ne, eto, Mike Mira, ne, we will add another information. Ne? So, Mira-san, ne, eto, 会社員 no? So, ミラさんは会社員です。Okay, let's check that one san. So, the topic here is one san. One san wa, and then information, Chinese. ね、中国人ですね。ワンさんは中国人です。So, if you notice 皆さんのパイですね。フィリピン人です。で、this time の the topic here is ね、ワンさんね。So, ワンさんは中国人です。ワンさんは中国人です。So, we're giving information that one son is Chinese. No? So, Mr. Wan, ね。So, ワンさんは中国人です。And then we will just add another information. ね。Same pattern. We will just change the noun to here. No? So, noun 1は and then information 医者です。ワンさんは医者ですね。So, if you notice, 皆さん, this grammar structure is very easy. ね. Just focus on the topic and then the supportive, supplementary information about the topic here. ね. So, Chinese, doctor, ね. So, just practice. ね. ワンさんは中国人です。Again, our topic here is ワンさん. So we will change the noun to information into ワンさんは医者です。いいですか、皆さん。Okay. ね、皆さん、let's go to 練習 B. Okay. I would like to ask, what is the topic here? Is it 皆さん、アメリカ、会社員? Okay. Ne, the topic here ね、皆さん is 皆さんね。皆さんはです。So, we can check here ね、皆さん。So, 皆さん、アメリカ、会社員ね、皆さん。So, topic here, ね。So, if you notice 皆さん, the grammar pattern of 日本語 here is very easy to understand, no? So, topic, 皆さん. And then, so let's talk about no country. So, 皆さんはアメリカ人です。So, we are giving information that 皆さん is American, no? So, アメリカ人です, no? アメリカ人です. So, this is the information card, no? 皆さん、アメリカ人. And then, occupation of 皆さん、会社員. That's why, ね、皆さんはアメリカ人です. And then, What's the another information about Mira-san? ね、ミラさんは会社員です。ね、based in this information card. いいですか皆さんね。ミラさんはアメリカ人です。ミラさんは会社員です。Okay, let's talk about Yamada-san. So the topic here, of course, the Mina-san is Yamada-san. And we can see here, ne, Nihon. And then what do you think is the nationality of Yamada-san? Mhm. So here we can see that Yamada-san is a Japanese. That's why ne, so it will become Yamada-san wa 日本人です。山田さんは日本人ですね。So the topic here again is Miss Yamada and then no, additional information about Miss Yamada. So that is, Yamada-san is a Japanese. No? So 日本人です。Okay, let's go back to the information card. Yamada-san and then what is her occupation? So we can see here, ginkoin. Minasan, ginkoin is bank. It is a bank employee. That's why from the information of Yamada-san wa Nihonjin desu, we can change the noun to into occupation. So topic here the same. Yamada-san wa ginkoin desu. いいですかそう、とても簡単ですね。Okay. じゃあ、let's have this information. ワットさんね、ね。So topic here is ワットさん。And then 皆さん、let's read it together now. イギリス。ね。イギリス。And then plus G, no, nationality. And then another information about ワットさん. We can see here, 先生。ね。Okay, let's plot the information. Okay. ね、ワットさんは、です。ね、so we have here two informations. So, ワットさんはイギリス人です。ね、ワットさんはイギリス人です。Another information about ワットさん。ワットさんは先生です。ワットさんは先生です。いいでしょうかね、皆さん。Okay, let's go to the next slide. So, Tawapon-san, ne? We have here Tawapon-san, and then Thai, ne? Thailand, ne? And then Gakse. いいですか、皆さん、学生?Okay. じゃあ次ね、皆さん。ね、そう。タワポンさんは、です。タワポンさんは、タイ人です。いいですね、皆さん。タイ人です。So, again, topic. ね、忘れないでください. Please don't forget the topic. ね、皆さん、タワポンさんはタイ人です。Okay, what's another information about the topic? タワポン。ね、タワポンさんは学生です。タワポンさんは学生です。いいですかね、タワポンさんはタイ人です。So please repeat after me. タワポンさんはタイ人です。はい。Please repeat after me. タワポンさんは学生です。タワポンさんは学生です。Okay. The last information card we have here is シュミットさん。ね、シュミットさん、ドイツで会社員。いいですか皆さん、ドイツね。シュミットさんね、ドイツ会社員。So again, topic here is シュミットさん。OK。ね。シュミットさんはドイツ人です。シュミットさんはドイツ人です。So, it's true の皆さんの based here in our information card ね。シュミットさん is the ドイツ人ね。シュミットさんはドイツ人です。And then additional information about the topic here is 会社員。That's why シュミットさんは会社員です。皆さん、how did you find this grammar pattern? any ね、impression? ね、皆さん。So please don't forget, no, the des and the particle wa. So ha, pronounce or read it as wa, and then the des function works as predicate, indicates judgment or assertion, and then des also conveys the speaker is being polite towards the listener. Okay, ね、皆さん。So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by scanning the QR code for more friendly Nihongo lessons here in my channel ね。皆さんよろしくお願いいたします。では、また